I recently talked about how to use syrup gels and what you can create with them. Today, I have another video for you, and we are going to be talking about First Street syrup gel. Now, First Street has over 100 plus colors with new collections coming every season. First Street is really easy to use, and I would say they are about a medium viscosity. First Street color payout is about a medium. They're not as sheer as the Marie Attier, but they're not opaque as F gels. Today's design will be going in with ombres. If you haven't noticed it yet, then I'll let you in on the secret. Syrup gels are actually really good for creating ombre looks. The gels that I'll be using today are from the Lovey Dovey collection. So with that, let's go ahead and dive into this nail design. I'm starting my base off with a milky white from First Street, making sure that my base is fully cured so that the next color I put down is blendable. Now going in with this pastel blue, I'm taking it halfway up the tip, and then I'm going to start blending it into my base gel. Now, if you don't already know, ombre can be really tricky. There's so many ways of creating an ombre look, but I feel if you're struggling in creating ombre, this is probably the easiest way. Okay, so now that we're done with our ombre, we are liking how it's blending with each other. I'm going to go back and take my milky white and I'm going to start brushing it all over my tip because this is going to bring everything together without having to see that line that separates your base gel and your color. Keep in mind that when creating any ombre look, you want to make sure that your colors work well with each other. Because if they don't, it's going to look like a hot mess. And don't worry, I've had my fair share of doing that. Now that the ombre is done, this will be the time to create your design. Now you can definitely leave it as is, but since it's the holiday season, I'm going to add a little pizzazz. There you have it, a simple ombre nail design. Let me know if you try this ombre look and if it was easy or hard for you. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, make sure you hit that thumbs up and of course subscribe for more, and until next time, stay beautiful. Bye.